Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Unbox a PR package with me from VT Cosmetics. My name is Sylvia Styles and welcome back to my channel, Beauty on a Budget, where affordability meets elegance. Yes, if you are new here, you are most welcome. On this channel, we celebrate self-love, self-care, humble beginnings, smart spendings. So join the movement and discover beauty on a budget that works best for you. So we do skincare, we do hair, beauty, and a little bit of everything. So yes, this is what they sent me. They sent me two Reedle Shot hydrogel masks, the green one and the pink one, as you're seeing. So these are collagen Reedle Shot 100 two-step hydrogel masks. They also sent me two eye creams. We have the CICA collagen eye cream and also the Reedle Shot lifting eye cream. Yes, plus the Reedle Shot. I'm going to be trying out the viral Reedle Shot with the eye cream from VT Cosmetics. So first, I'm going to start by cleansing my face. I'm going to start with my Neutrogena exfoliator to exfoliate and cleanse my skin really well before using the Reedle Shot. VT Cosmetics is a Korean skincare brand, and the Reedle Shots, these are needles, micro needles, but micro needles in a form of a cream or micro needling in a bottle. I'm going to go ahead and use a paper towel to dry my skin. Go ahead with the Reedle Shot. So the Reedle Shot combines the soothing effects of CICA along with natural micro needles to effectively deliver skin soothing and hydrating ingredients to the deepest layers of the skin. It is available in formulations of 100, 300 and 700 to help you choose the perfect concentration for your skin's needs. So I'm using the 100 Reedle Shot, and this can be used on a daily basis. Yes, you can add this 100 Reedle Shot to your daily skincare routine. So I'm just going to spread it evenly in my skin. Yo! It feels like there are small needles in my skin, like a little tingling sensation. It is not painful, it doesn't hurt, but it feels like there are needles in your skin. It says like when you use the VT Reedle Shot, the needles make tiny channels in the top layer of your skin, and this allows the good stuff in the serum, like vitamins and moisture boosting ingredients, to get deeper into your skin than they normally would. So I'm going to let it really sit in my skin, and I'm going to go in with my serum and my moisturizer. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys, before I applied this on my skin, I first did a patch test. A patch test is like applying the product on like your arm or on your hand and leave it for hours, for minutes, to see if like your skin will have any allergic reaction to it. So yes, I first did a skin patch. I didn't get any reaction. So yes, the Reedle Shot is clinically proven to enhance skin texture and absorption. I'm going to go in with my eye cream. This is the CICA collagen eye cream. So this is the CICA collagen eye cream. It is for elasticity, you know, and moist care. Wait. It's actually vibrating, guys. I don't know if you can hear the vibrating sounds, but when it touches my skin, it actually vibrates. Okay, wait. So it vibrates as it gently massages your skin. This is actually really cool. Neutrogena Soothing Toner. Yeah, it is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. And lastly, a moisturizer. I know. Yes, and I use Herbelin as a moisturizer because my skin loves it. So I'm loving the glow already, and I highly recommend. So Reedle Shots is an amazing addition to your skincare routine. Try it out and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap on the notification so that you don't miss out on any new video, and I cannot also wait to show you how I use the hydrogel masks.